Namaskar. In this video I will tell you about discussion. Originally the courses were intended for the typical over-arousal type of person, Group 1, but it soon became apparent, as the other four autonomic behavior patterns emerged, that people who consider themselves to be living under stress do not belong only to this single category. It was found that each group would evolve along quite different lines, with varying needs and requirements emerging. For example, during one course conducted especially for members of a particular religious group, it was found that most of the participants belonged to the second or fixed type of behavior pattern. So the techniques used with this group were considerably modified from what was more generally adopted in the other course. It was also interesting that the stress management courses attracted quite a different type of person to those who would normally enroll in a yoga class, but their attitude to yoga would become much more positive once it was shown through the biofeedback results that it actually worked and had a sound empirical basis.